What's up, YouTube? JJ here. I was in the auction and I came across a nice car that I was interested in buying, so I figured I'd make a video and pretty much document my whole process of when I find a car that I like, making a plan to bid on it, see if I win it, get that auction win, pick it up, see what kind of condition it is, repair it, sell it, profit, the whole process. I've been doing this like 5 years, and I was recently watching a YouTube video of somebody doing the exact same thing of what I do, and I'm like, why am I watching this guy's videos when I do the exact same thing in real life? So I figured I'd try to make a video for you guys and see how you like it, and if you like it, I keep them coming. But anyways, it's a 2010 Mitsubishi Evo 10, 78k miles, automatic, SE edition. It looks like it has some aftermarket parts on it, carbon fiber hood, lowered rims, a couple things. Doesn't look in bad shape, clean title, all that. So I don't know too much more details. I didn't get to see it in person. It's an auction, so I'm gonna keep my eye on it. It comes to auction Friday, and if I'm able to get my hands on it and win that bid, I will update you guys, and we're gonna do a video documenting my whole process. Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, guys, we won the Evo. Here it is. Take a look at it. It's got the carbon fiber hood. Super faded. Car needs a good cleaning. A little trunk issue. There we go. Engine intake, intercooler piping. You can see in this section right here, it says PA certificate of title, so that means it's a clean title vehicle. The highlights is engine start program, so that means the car starts but it does not move. So we're gonna figure out what's the issue, and see what we do with this car.
What's up, everybody? As you can see, brought the Evo home. It's out. I've been working on it since this morning. Check it out here. I've put some parts on it that I had from a previous Evo. This is my fourth Evo. Put a nice set of wheels on it. Right away, I had to do a tie rod on it. The tie rod was bent like a McDonald's M arch. Also, I had to do the serpentine belt on it. At some point, the serpentine belt snapped. The car was listed as a start only. It wasn't listed as a run or drive. Not sure why. The car, it's been running and driving since I got it. I don't know if they listed it that way because the tie rod was bent, so it wasn't really rolling at its own free will. You had to give it some throttle to accelerate it to get it to move. Could be why. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. We got the turbo back exhaust on it, like I told you before. It has the in-gen intercooler pipings. It has a HKS blower valve, and it actually has it came with a access port that I found in the glove box. Okay, it has the roof carbon fiber wrapped. The seats are in good shape. Oh, we got it locked. The seats are in great shape. I do got a check engine light right there. says the check engine light is for, it says up O2 sensor, bank to lean. Not sure if it needs a tune, you know, for all the air modifications that it has, but still stock fuel system, or if it actually needs an O2 sensor. I'm not sure, but I figured that out. I cleaned it up pretty nice. This thing was disgusting. It had like white film all over it. I gave it a good wax, cleaned the wheels, got all the grit off it. I had to take these take the rotors and resurface them. They were all rusted out, so I took it to my buddy's shop. He resurfaced the rotors. So basically, all I have left is to figure out what this check engine light is for, and then we'll be good to go. But for now, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. All in all, I mean, with all the aftermarket parts, this car probably has about $4,000 in just aftermarket parts on it that I wasn't really accounting for. So yeah, Evo auction buy, you gotta love it. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm out. Thanks, guys. What's up, guys? JJ here, coming back at you. So I just wanted to update you. We sold the Evo. We sold it for $13,800. You'll see it posted, a check right here. What I pick it up for? I picked it up for about $78. I had to pay for towing. I had to do a serpentine belt on it, tie rod, alignment, battery, re-clear coat the hood. I did a few things on it, but all in all, I don't even think I was $9,000 into it. Sold it for almost 14, so we had a good amount of profit there. So I just picked up a 2008 Hummer H3, and I also picked up a 2016 Ford Focus ST Turbo 6-speed. So if you guys are interested in seeing videos on them, let me know, comment below, and I'll keep these videos rolling. Thank you all for watching. Bye.